Hi guys, it's Celeste again, and today I will show you how to work with the Smartpro Moulding Tips from Crystal Clawz. Once again, my nail has already been prepped. Be sure to check out my dry manicure video. Next, I will wipe with sanitizer to remove all dust particles before applying Unibase. Again, no primer or bonder required for this product whatsoever. First, I create a very thin layer on the inside of the molding tip. This is to determine the length. I make sure it's very thin, and I will be curing this layer. When applying my second layer, this will help prevent the builder gel from flooding underneath, and that is why this is a very necessary step. I always flash cure with my LED torchlight when using the SmartPro system or FlexiPro system. It helps to secure the product in place before fully curing it underneath my LED lamp. I'm going to add a thicker layer of builder gel, ensuring it is level everywhere before applying it to the natural nail. I am gently placing the tip down, not using any force at all, yet making sure that it is straight, and then I flash cure with my LED light again before curing it for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. I cure the underside for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. I remove the tip gently as they are reusable. Now, just a little bit of filing left. That's how easy this system is. This system really ensures minimal filing needed. It's almost a perfect shape. I buff for low or high spots that I might not be able to see, and then I wipe before I apply a layer of top coat. I must say that the SmartPro molding system is the easiest system I have worked with, and once you've got this down and practiced, it'll take seconds to get the perfect nail. I am really happy with the results. Well, there you go guys, kindly like and subscribe for more free tutorials. See you soon!